It's official, baby. Swing arm is all done. I say it's all done. I got one spot I need to come back and fix, but I'm gonna show y'all how to fix that right there. Easy fix, easy fix. But anyway, it's all tight, bolted together. However, my lowering links didn't come in yesterday, so I'm hoping today, because I'm gonna wait on that before I finish putting on the wheel, which in return, I will go ahead and fix the, little spots I have on it to fix the wheel. Oh, and I stuck the center cap in. Looks fresh. All right, so for my grips, got a question for you, and I'm just taking suggestions. I don't know. I've been looking at this quite a while. I'm trying to figure out now. I'm gonna leave this black. I'm gonna leave this black, but for these little pieces right here, I'm thinking of doing this black, maybe do these ones yellow, just this yellow. So black, black, yellow, yellow. And then I gotta figure out who or where I'm gonna get these stickers from to put on here. I don't know. Let me know down in the comment section below. So like I was showing earlier about this was looking off, it's because the fin is right, it's just this side needs to mold to make it look correct in the center. So I just put some spray foam on. I'm gonna trim that up and get that situated as soon as it dries, sand it down and try to get this line straight again. I hope it'll look right in the center, then it'll look all matching, because I had flowed this area up, built this up earlier, and I never did this side. Oh, I just love it when a plan comes together. Finally got the lowering links. Perfect, just standard black lowering links. So let's throw these in and then let's finish getting this back put together. Now I did put my LED lights back here in the back here and back up there, but I noticed that the provided glue strip that's on there is trash. So I'm gonna have to take all of that, all this glue strip off and put some real good 3M glue on it. Getting my chain on. The last time it was in neutral. This time it's not in neutral, and I've been playing around trying to get it back in neutral. So I'm gonna be putting on my rear sets to put it in neutral. So the issue is I don't have the 2 bolts that go right there to hold the rear set up properly and set it in place. So I'm gonna have to go to my other house to where I have another parts bike at and grab the bolts off of it. Yes, sir. She sits so much lower now. The front, I got the Carolina. I got the nose up in the front, down in the back, but I need to drop the front down 2 inches. That approximately gave me about 2 inches of drop. I think it's about right. But one thing I do got to come up with is making a chain slider on here, because I don't want to mess up my frame. So I need to figure out something that I can make to where my chain won't be rubbing on my frame, just in case. Yeah, that's what I need. That's what I need. That's what I need to do. Okay. Oh, trying to figure out directions of what to do on this bike at this current moment. I got a lot of stuff coming together. Got a lot coming together and a little time to do it. So I was still straightening up the front, add a little bit here. I need to cut this to get this line straight. Get that done. I'm trying to find direction. Like, I'm so ready to push this over the edge. Like, I'm just ready to, the bike is done. You feel me? So, all right, so we need to work from the back to the front. So the back is all done. The only thing I need to do, like I said before, I'm just going through my head. So sorry. I just reiterating again. So I just need to make a chain guide. That's done. Oh, I need to tighten this knuckle right here. I need to do that right now before I forget. So I need to tighten that. The wheels are on tight. Everything back here is good. The shock, I love how everything sits there. All right, so now we just need to go ahead and work on this rear tail. Let's figure out where I'm going to mount the computer at to where it's going to be accessible. And then I need to figure out where I'm going to place my amp. And yeah, that's what I need to do. That's what I'm going to do. All right, so now we are cooking. I got some of the lights on. I'm still playing around with different locations to get them exactly where I want them at. So this is gonna be a little long ordeal, but nevertheless, those are on. So now let's go ahead and throw these rear sets on. So, and then I can be able to put this thing in gear, and then hopefully we can get this thing moved out. Feels good to put this on. So I am keeping a running note of things I need. So I need my rear reservoir for that to hold my brake fluid, and I need a longer brake line to go alongside here. So I've realized these are not the best rear sets that I could have bought, but however, I was not planning on doing all of this to the bike. And so now we're here and I got these not so good rear sets. I'm gonna use them for right now. I'm gonna be looking at other options to get those changed. But anyway, I gotta take this off and then put this here. So just gotta drill this out, I think. I don't know. I've never taken one of those off, but it looks like I need to drill it out. And then this and that will go there because this is the clutch lever, I guess, whatever lever this is. Anyway, but that's it. Both sides are on.